Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my video is the strategy to make money on Temu app easily. Let's get started without wasting any time. Please guys follow me step by step and do not skip the video. The process is very easy. So you can see there's this Temu icon on my screen. I have to click it. After I click it, it brings me to this home page you can see, and I have to click the U icon that is in the bottom middle of screen. After I click it, I have to go to settings and make sure that a country and region selected is US. I will scroll down in this page and you can see United States is selected. I will go back and then I'll click earn credits and free gifts. After that, you can see I have a lots of options, out of which I will click lucky flip. You can choose any one, that is your personal preference. Guys, after this you see you have this page open where you have to invite new app users to flip more cards and you can earn credit and make cash easily. Guys, this was an easy process. I hope you liked my video, and if you did and if this helped you in any way, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.